Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi A3 and today I will show you how to add a fingerprint to the device. So to get started, you want to open up settings, and from here scroll down to security and location, and then you'll have the option fingerprint right here, and tap on next. And before you can actually add a fingerprint, you'll also need to add some other way of unlocking, assuming you don't have one. So you have a choice between pin, pattern, or password. So I'm just going to select pattern and draw the pattern. Tap on confirm. Notifications set up however you like them to show or not to show. And then you get to scan the finger. So now in a normal circumstance, you want to scan your finger accurately from basically every angle you can. But I'm not really trying to get it done correctly, I'm just trying to get it done fast, so that's why I'm doing it like this. And from here you can add another finger if you wish by tapping on add another one, or just tap on done if you're satisfied with just one finger. And now once you lock the device, you'll see that you either need to unlock it with the pattern like this or the fingerprint. So that is how you would add a fingerprint, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.